At Dick Van Dyke Appliance World in Champaign, we'll beat any competitor's deal. We'll beat any competitor's deal on refrigerators and freezers, and washers and dryers, ranges, microwaves and dishwashers. I guarantee the best deal on your next appliance purchase.
John's trying to decide to get this Samsung refrigerator from Dick Van Dyke or the big mall store. Dick Van Dyke has same-day service.
They don't.
A free 5-year protection plan.
They don't.
Both refrigerators are the same, but after delivery and warranty, we'll save him $773. He's buying from Dick Van Dyke Appliance World.